After using the image, 3D model, remesh, and texture features, the animation workspace is going to be your next step when working with characters. To get started, the first thing you want to do is look in the first column here, where it says animation. You'll be able to select which model or engine you would like to use. In this example, I'll choose the meshy option. Next, you want to select on the right side a 3D model that you would like to animate. You want to make sure that you're selecting a character or humanoid style mesh, as the animations are designed for that in mind. After you select your character, you'll notice that there's a few different options to select from. You can either search by animation by typing in something like idle, run, jump, or you can select these filters. Now you may notice if you don't have an animation selected, if you look here at the bottom, it currently says auto rig, but if you have an animation selected, it says auto rig plus animate, which ultimately allows you to auto rig and then animate all in one go. There's a lot to choose from, but initially, let's just choose an idle for this character. If you select your character that's already rigged, you can add an additional animation. In PicoBerry, it's defined as retargeting. Ultimately, it's taking a rigged character and applying an animation to it. It's going to create a new card. So each time you retarget, it's going to create a new mesh card here on the right side. The way I usually look at this is, I will rig the characters without doing a rig and automate at the same time. And then once I'm happy with the actual result, then I do a retarget as needed to get the animations that I want. Once you apply an animation, you'll be able to see that animation play out in the scene viewer. In the bottom of the scene, you'll see a pause play button, a download, and a send to 3D button. The pause and play button simply stops and plays the animation that's currently active on your character. The download button gives you several options. You can name your file before downloading, and you can choose the format you want. You can choose GLB, FBX, OBJ, STL, or textures only. Since we're downloading our character with its animation, we'll stick with the FBX format for this example. Next, if you click on the Advanced dropdown, you'll have the ability to select the target engine, and you can choose generic or Unity. Now, once you have everything selected, you can simply download your zip file to be used in your project. Now, the Send to 3D tool is a set of bridge tools that allow you to connect to Unity, Blender, Unreal, and Godot. We'll discuss those in another video. And that's pretty much it for your animations. A quick tip would be to rig your character first and then retarget as needed so that you can see how your character will be rigged, and then check it for motion.